let's go ahead and remove our 2 mounting bolts. Grab onto that lens. We're going to try to pull it straight back because there's going to be 2 little pitons that go into the side. There we are. Looking from the back side. Let's just go ahead and twist these out of here. We'll set our lamp assembly aside. All right, let's get our bulb sockets off of our wiring. Use a small pocket screwdriver, come underneath one ear, give it a little tug. Oh, the other ear broke free, but essentially do the same right here. There we are. Check your harness, make sure you don't see any funny colors. Let's move along to the other one. You're going to see there's a red lock. Press up on that, and then we're going to press on this little tab right here, and this should want to separate. If it doesn't want to, you can come right underneath this edge right there, lift up on that, and then draw this right off. Take a look, looks good. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new tail lamp. Let's grab our connectors here. I'm going to start with this one. It only goes in one direction, so you want to make sure you have it facing the right way. Slip it in there, give it a nice little click. Do the same to the other one. Click it in, lock it, give it a nice tug. At this point, you can see the little pitons right there. They're going to go into these slots that are located inside the rear fender. So we'll line this up. Line up the piton with the hole. There we are. Nice loving bonk. Okay, let's screw it in. Nice and tight. Now let's give them a test. Perfect.